This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for March 22nd, 2022. It's currently March 4th, 2022 at 3:53 a.m. Overall theme is a decline down to a support level, and then we travel along that support level kind of sideways. I gotta do these faster, guys. I'm sorry. Running out of time. It's a silly thing to say. There's always enough time. This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for March 22nd, 2022. It's currently March 5th, 2022 at 12:27 a.m. The overall theme and behavior for the S&P for the 22nd is we drop down to a support level, and then we move along, we travel along that support level with some rotation. Behavior around the high, there's going to be multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance, and behavior around the low, there'll be bullish rotation that increases in bullish momentum as we move forward in time around the lows. Looks like we have a high correlator in the pre-market. So we'll have a prominent crest or high there for the first one for the day anyways. And there'll be an important decision between two rulers of nations that impacts quite a few people. And then we have right at the open a big push to the upside. That'll be prominent on the chart, a move higher. But then from roughly 10 to 11, we have sideways fluidity, equal amounts of bulls and bears, inflow and outflow. We revisit a crest that was a good opportunity around roughly 10 to 11 o'clock in the midst of some erratic behavior back and forth through a price level. And then that erratic behavior between 11 and 12 increases. Between 11 and 12, that erratic behavior increases in price swingings, and there's a sharp drop in the midst of that. The volatility continues from a resistance level between roughly a resistance level that's met around roughly 1 o'clock in the midst of volatility from roughly 12 to 1:15-ish. There's a big push to the upside right there, roughly between 1 and 2, which continues further. A trade opportunity around 2 o'clock. There's a gap up between 2 and 3. And that gap up is a trade opportunity. I'll be using that opportunity to open up some short positions. When I see that gap up, I'll open up short positions because we have a sharp decline in the last hour of trading through an important support level. There's a reversal in the post market, and the sneak preview for the following day is a failure. That's March 22nd, 2022. Guys, let me know if you like this by hitting the like button. And if you haven't done so far, please subscribe. It really helps us out. I appreciate it. Spread the love. Pay it forward. And guys, I'll see you later.